This is the completed model of the human brain. In the process of creating the brain model, I used a cardboard to draw the brain so that I can be able to place the material that I used, which is clay, macaroni, and orange peels. The three aspects that I have learned during the creation of this human brain is that people have varied notions about how to be creative and they consider various materials for their creativity, which is something I found when developing the brain model. Secondly, despite the fact that our brains may be the same, they function very differently in people because several of their functions, like language, facial recognition, motor activity, and spatial recognition, are adapted to particular types of learning. Last but not least, I have discovered that in order to comprehend and treat the brain's illnesses and abnormalities, we need to study more about it. The two questions that I am curious to know regarding the human brain is that how big are our brains and how much our brains do we use? The aspect that I have tried in terms of training my brain model is the cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain and is composed to right and left hemispheres. It performs higher hearing functions like interpreting touch, vision, and hearing, as well as speech, reasoning, emotions, learning, and fine control of movement. The brain is the most complex part of the human body. This 3-pound organ is the seat of intelligence, interpreter of senses, initiator of body movement, and controller of behavior. Lying in this bony shell and washed by protective fluid, the brain is the source of all qualities that define our humanity. The brain has its few functions, which includes the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, the brainstem, as well as the cerebellum.